Good evening and welcome to Blueprint Explosive Exclusive. I'm Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan. On 13 years, 2 courts and 2 completely different conclusions. One of India's most high-profile rape and sexual assault cases has taken a dramatic turn. The Bombay High Court has overturned the 2021 acquittal of former Tehelka editor Tarun Tejpal, convicting him in the 2013 rape and sexual assault case. With this, the legal battle has come to an end, and Tejpal will soon be returning to jail as the bench has given him 4 weeks' time to surrender. So let's quickly open this up and take it across to our guest. Sujata Pandey, political analyst, is with us. Amit Deshpande is a men's rights activist. We have Bindu Dubey, who is an advocate of the Supreme Court. Also with us is Dr. Akashdeep Puni, political analyst. Let me bring in Bindu Dubey now. Bindu Dubey, the problem is this. The problem is when the courts, gave him a clean sheet, or the courts acquitted him of the charges and the courts were fine. Now suddenly it's going back to a situation where he's becoming Sharjeel Imam, he's becoming Umar Khalid, he's invoking all these political... So the system, when it works for you, is very fine. When it doesn't work for you, it's totalitarian and all sorts of things.
That is the irony, Madhavji. I would like to thank you first for giving me an opportunity to speak here on this issue. For me, I'm a woman first and then an advocate. So I would see this decision as per that perspective. So here I would like to quote something that was said by Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta. What is said while opposing the plea for leniency? He said, despite the victim being a girl of his daughter's age, he committed an offense. He was a father figure, should have not indulged into this. A precedent must be set. This court must give out a clear message to the society that when a girl says no, it means no. A no means a no. So that has to be the clear message. And here, for me, it was he is someone who has committed some crime. There was a complaint against him. There was an FIR against him. There was a trial, and after that trial, the appeal came to the Honorable High Court of Bombay. And this Bombay High Court found that he is a convict. Why? And if some people, they are saying that the Bombay High Court is this or that, I would like to say something. There was a Supreme Court judgment, and it said very clearly that an appellate court, in this case, the Honorable Bombay High Court, has full power to review, reappreciate and reconsider the evidence upon which an order of acquittal is founded. So whatever the basis of that acquittal was, by the Honorable Sessions Court, it was re-examined by the Honorable High Court. And after re-examining it properly, then only this judgment was given.
Okay, Bindu Dubey wants to respond to you. Bindu Dubey.
Madhavji, I have to say that nothing happens out of nowhere. There was an offense which was committed by this guy. He committed this offense. And it is very clear. And that was the reason that he sent an apology email to. He cannot deny that apology email. If he had not done anything, what was the reason that he was sending that apology email? Wherein he was accepting his fault that he committed this offense, and that the girl, she did not at all want this thing to be done by him to her. So it clearly shows that it had happened to her and it was perpetrated by him on her.
Let's leave it there for the moment. Sujata Pandey, Amit Deshpande, Bindu Dubey, as well as Dr. Akashdeep Muni. Let's also remember that the High Court itself has said that the CCTV establishes both were present at the site of the incident, and not every rape case has visual evidence, and I think that's a sensible argument to make. But let's leave it there. Leaving it there, and certainly, of course, all eyes on what action or what happens when this matter is approached to as far as the Apex Court is concerned. Thanks so much for joining us this evening.